So here's how you can look at your GoPro files through a dongle on your iPad. Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Well, on my GoPro, I can open up the side panel or whatever, and take out the little SD card, right? So it's just this mini one. So in order for that to be connected with the iPad, I at first have to connect it to this large SD card, and that gets connected to this specific dongle or connector where it has the SD card slot on one end and the USB-C cable on the other. And once I connect it like that to the iPad, well, it will be recognized by the Files app. So inside of the Files, in the Locations section, I'll be able to see my GoPro, so I can tap on it, browse the folder, and all of the footage recorded on my camera, right? So it would work that way. Obviously, I get to import those clips or do whatever else. Keep in mind, however, that you can also open up the Photos app, and the external storage should also be recognized by the Photos app, where it's actually much easier to just select all of the clips and import them to your photos, so that would work too. On the other hand, there is also the Quick app from GoPro developers, which you can get from the App Store, and this allows you to just connect the GoPro right away or even over the internet, where you can move and access the footage through Wi-Fi, right? So I guess that would work too, but I personally prefer the SD card method. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your devices. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.